Hey everyone, this is iTroid, and this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Minecraft Classic server. Um, you will need to install MySQL as well onto your computer. If you have it already, that's fine. If not, I'll show you how to do that right now as well. I'm going to go through this video rather quickly, so if you have any questions or anything like that, or if you missed something, just rewind it a little bit. So first of all, we're going to download MySQL. Just type in MySQL in Google, hit enter. You're going to come up and it's going to be just mysql.com. You can do that as well. Go to the website. You do not need to be, you don't have to have an account. You don't have to set up a new user or anything like that. Just go up and click on where it says downloads. Once you're in here, right at the top, it's going to say MySQL Community Server. This is a freely downloadable version, so you can just click on that. Once you're in here, the platform you're going to, you just download the platform you are, what you have. I have Windows XP 32-bit version, so this is the one I would download. As you can see, it's about 121 megabytes. This one here is a zip one, so it's a little bit smaller. But you would need to download the current version for your machine. Um, so if you have Windows XP 32-bit, then download 32-bit. If you have the 64-bit, you would need the 64-bit one. But you're going to have to figure that out. I can't tell you how to figure out if you have 32-bit or 64-bit. Normally, a normal computer is 32-bit. You can buy one in 64-bit. So just click on the download. It's going to come back up to this. You do not need to sign up. Just down here it says no thanks. Just take me to the downloads. Then choose your country. Mirrors in the United States. This is what I would be using here. I'm just going to click on the one for Chicago. And then just click on Save File, and it's going to download it right to your computer. I already have it downloaded, so it may take you 10-15 minutes if you're on high-speed internet to download it. It depends. But I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to spend that time to do it. So that's all you do to download MySQL. And like I said, I already have it, and I actually have the 5.5.8 version, which is no different really. So I'm going to run it. I don't believe I already have it installed already. I'm not using it for anything. Just going to click on next. You can go and you can read all this stuff here. Yep, I just read it. And hit next. We're just going to do a typical install. It doesn't take long to install it. Okay, you don't want to swatch it. I'm just going to pause this for a second and then I pressed the wrong button. I'm going to pause it and I'll come back on when it's done. Alright, it's at the end there. And basically we're just going to click on next. Launch MySQL instance configuration wizard. We can click on finish. We're going to next. We're just going to do the standard. We're going to install it as a Windows server. So Windows starts up, it automatically starts up. You don't have to go and start it up every time you want to use your program. It's just going to be called MySQL. And it's going to automatically launch it. It's going to run in the background. Enter the root password. I'm not going to enter anything. You can put anything you want in here. Just remember what it is. Well, I guess it wants me to have a password in here. So I'm just going to type a quick password. and I do not need to enable root access from remote machines. So next, execute. Hopefully it doesn't take forever. I don't know if it realizes how many minutes I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause it and wait until it comes back up. Oh, it's almost there. Oh, never mind. Didn't even have time to pause it. So I hit finish. And now what do you do, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new browser. Excuse me. 127.0.0.1, and it's going to give you that error. So basically that's it. It doesn't look like there's anything happening, but MySQL is actually running in the background of your computer right now. So now what you want to do is you want to download your server software. You can use anything from McCall to McForge or anything like that. The one that I use, that I like the most, is called McForge. MCForge. Just type that in. What we're going to do is go to the mcforge.co.cc, and we're going to click on the link there. Now there's several links in here. You don't have to sign up or join or anything like that. So it may look a little bit different from when I'm doing this video, but this downloads whatever. Excuse me. So we're going to go down here, download 4.1.3.0. It's going to bring me to another page. There's 3 different versions. I always grab the latest one, so we're going to do the latest one again, and it's going to bring us over here, and we're going to have to click download again. Now you can download it. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to do it again. And this is what it's going to look like. It's just going to be a folder here. So I'm going to double click on it. Excuse me, I have 2 windows and my stuff opens up on the other window. Hit extract. We're going to call this one here. I already have a couple other ones, so I'm just going to call this McForge 99. Basically, all I did is when I open it, click on desktop, click over here, click your right mouse button, your right arrow, put a backslash, and then just call it something. McForge. I'm going to call it 99. It's going to put it right on my desktop. So I hit extract and opens it. And close it. I can delete this. Here's my McForge server. I'm going to double click on it, open it up. Basically, right at the moment, there's no folders in here for ranks or commands or anything like that. And what's going to happen is it's going to create it for you. So you're going to hit double click on McForge. It's going to open it up. It's going to create all your ranks and stuff like that. Now it's going to come up. It's going to say MySQL settings have not been set. Please set them up, which is fine. Now I want to close out of here and see how we have extra folders down here now. Double click on properties. Double click on server, or open up in WordPad. There are a ton of features in here. I'm not going to go through any of them, but you can go in there and read them. Up here where it says like max guest, don't change this. It just tells you what it's for. It's all down here. See, like it has the server name. Don't worry about that in here. I'll show you where it gets fixed. Scroll down almost to the bottom. You can have MySQL information. Use MySQL equals true. I guess you can turn it off, but don't need to. Host is going to be, just leave host. Leave everything. The only thing you're going to change is change the password to the password that you set up when we set up the MySQL. The password that I put in, I just put 4 zeros. That's all I did. You can do it more secure. If you want to do that, that's fine. Hit on save, and then you can close out of that. That's done.